Investing in GoTrade, a mobile app-based brokerage platform, involves these steps. Deposit funds. Link your bank accounts to your GoTrade account and deposit funds. Ensure you have enough funds to invest. Browse investments. Explore the range of investment options GoTrade offers, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Research. Research the investment options available on the platform. Understand the companies, industries, or assets you want to invest in. Place an order. Decide on the investment you want to make. Enter the investment symbol or name, choose the type of order, and specify the quantity. Track your investments. Monitor the performance of your investments through the app. GoTrade provides real-time updates on market movements and your portfolio's value. Sell or hold. You can sell your investments when you believe it's the right time, or you can choose to hold them for potential growth. Learn and explore. GoTrade often provides educational resources to help users learn about investing and make informed decisions. Security measures. GoTrade employs security measures to protect your data and investments. Enable two-factor authentication for added security.